Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
And in today's video we are teaming up with Topdon and they have very kindly sent us the Jump Surge 2000 to try out, Michael.
Try out, yeah.
Because we do buy a lot of project cars. We're actually looking at one right now.
Yeah.
That would be perfect for this.
Absolutely, mate, yeah.
But we want to put this to the absolute test. We don't want to jump start a 1.6, not even a 2 litre. Today we are going to try and attempt to jump start a 5.3 twin turbo 800 brake horsepower drag car.
So we're going to put it to the test, aren't we?
We are going to put it through the absolute test. So if you're new to Spotted Motors, Michael has a fully fledged street legal drag car, and it's off season now, so it's parked up for the winter, and we're going to test it out, see if we can give it a cold start with the Topdon Jump Surge 2000. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab the camera, have a little look around the car, and then Michael's going to talk you through how the product is, how you use the product, and how exactly you start up a street legal drag car as well. So yeah,
hopefully.
Here we go, Michael. So Michael Castle, that's the first time you've seen the product?
Yeah, it looks I've seen the box.
Yeah.
It looks a good bit of kit, doesn't it?
Yeah, and the main sort of headlines, is it 6 litre? 6
litre diesel, 8 litre gas, or petrol,
as
we call it over here. So yeah, it should be no problem for the little 5.3.
Yeah, the little 5.3, as Michael says. So this 800 brake horsepower twin turbo V8 is going to be putting the Jump Surge to the test. This is a street legal drag car. It's raced regularly enough, isn't it, Michael?
Yeah.
And the stats of the car are 614 wheel horsepower, and it gets down the quarter mile in 8.8.
8.8, mate.
Yeah.
153-ish mile an hour.
We've done 155.
We've done 155, but
yeah,
round about. Yeah, mid 150s.
Yeah. Where this car's at. So
at the minute, yeah. So we're happy with that, aren't we?
Yeah, perfect.
Like I say, it's going to be put to the test a bit because we are starting the car from cold.
Yeah.
We do like to prime the oil, get oil pressure built up. So when we do, you'll see it cranking for a while. It's not because it won't start. It's because I haven't powered the ignition up. I've only got power to start the motor. Just turning the engine over, getting oil around the pump till I see oil pressure on the gauge, and then I'll flick the ignition. And
then she'll fire up.
Hopefully.
So battery, Michael, where's the battery located?
Battery's in the back in the boot there.
So let's head round there. So boot is off ready, Michael?
Boot's off ready.
And
battery's there, mate, yeah.
Battery's there. So I think we'll get her out.
It's the Topdon.
The Topdon. Let's get the Topdon out. So I've had a look at this already, and I was really impressed with the box it comes in. It's like a real neat little box.
Look at that.
And as far as jump kits go, or starter packs, or whatever you want to call it, that would fit in your car quite nicely, wouldn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
So you put that in your glove box if you could, or in the boot, and you'd never have to worry about leaving the lights on or anything like that.
It's nice, isn't it? Like I say, we buy and sell a lot, don't we, Dylan? We used to carrying big booster packs around with us, and busting your back with them. And
and they're not great to turn around someone's house.
Because what we need, it's absolutely perfect.
Yeah, nice bit of kit, isn't it?
Yeah.
One little thing I noticed, Michael, is the crocodile clips. They're open very, very wide as well.
Very wide.
Yeah, which is always good.
Very observant, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's a good bit of kit, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got a little flashlight on it, and it's got USB port to charge up your phone, to power a tyre inflator.
Yeah.
So your laptop or your headphones, wherever it may be. So yeah, it's
spot on, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty useful bit of kit, especially for us. Like I say, we buy a lot of project cars, so this is going to come in very handy for us.
So what I'm doing, Dale.
So obviously we've read the instructions.
Oh yeah.
And I advise anyone that's going to use one of them to use their brain and read the instructions as well first. So into the bottom there, Michael, you've got it.
We're on 75%.
75%. So
do you think that's enough?
Well, we're going to have to start the whole video again if it isn't.
So yeah, shall we go through? Obviously, I'll put the power on now. This battery hasn't got a bit of life at all in it.
Oh, okay.
I'll put the ignition on now. I don't even think the screen will come on. It might flicker. There's not much life there, is there?
Not really. I mean...
So this is going to put it to the test?
Was that when you last revved it, Michael, to 7,000?
Probably.
Probably,
I was just putting it in the garage. Are we good?
We're good, yeah.
So we'll get these on here, eh? Obviously, red to live, black to earth.
And then what we've got, Michael, we've got a little boost button on the side of it there.
Right.
So,
that's correct, it's saying correct there.
yeah, so we're happy with that. We'll press the boost.
Press the boost, something clicked inside there.
Yeah.
What's the other one saying? No, that's alright. It actually tells you if you've got them on the wrong way.
Oh, right,
That's brilliant.
yeah, especially if it's in the dark and you're
yeah.
in some kind of shopping car park. And
Find somewhere to sit that. Fall off.
Right, I'll let you get in and then I'll put the camera back on. So Michael's in the hot seat.
Yep, so like I say, hopefully now, did I turn the power back on?
No, do you want me to go and turn the power on?
I always do it.
At least you didn't put your harness on. Right.
Are we on?
We're on.
So hopefully now I can just hit the start button and crank for oil pressure.
Right.
It'll take a good while, it takes a minute or so, doesn't
yeah.
it? So are we ready?
Yeah.
See how much life's in the jump pack?
Good start, isn't it?
Oh. They've gone off.
It's gone off. So, it's flashing green. So we've looked at the instruction manual and what it says is hit the boost button. And then again this car is so complex, we're going to crank over for oil pressure, which like Michael said takes quite a long time, so we don't know if it's just safety cutting out or something like that. It's not happy with something, so
go again. One more we'll have oil pressure.
Yeah, one more we've got oil pressure. Oh, it's flashing red now, Michael. Green and red.
Oh, flashing red.
Yeah.
Oh, you have tried 4 jump starts within 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Please disconnect the clamps and reconnect to try.
Right.
So you've tried 4 jump starts
Yeah.
in 10 minutes and it's asking you to disconnect and reconnect.
Right, I'll do that now.
If we'd have read the instructions first.
Read the instructions first, but at least we're, Right, I'm going to put the camera down while I do this. Right, so we've done the reset procedure. I'm going to hit the boost button again. So that's it, Mike. We've got the boost button again. So
we should have one more of these and it'll probably trip out.
Yeah.
And I would say we'd have oil pressure then. And we'll be just the next time we'll put ignition on and it should fire. No doubt that's going to fire that the way it's turning over.
Yeah.
It's turning over lovely. Are we ready?
Yeah. Do you want to do one more?
One more.
One more?
One more.
One more. Boost me up.
Yeah, do mate, it's starting to show there.
Just starting to show there about 8 psi in the oil pressure. So.
No.
So I've hit the boost button, Michael. I might stand back now. That's Michael's fuel pump. Oh, are you bothered about the wastegates?
No, that's fine.
I think the fuel pump's out the power out of it.
No, shouldn't have gone off.
Yeah, let me just hit that one more time. Right.
Doesn't like it, Bill.
No, it doesn't. absolutely fantastic.
No problem with that, was there?
Do you know what, Michael?
I think on your average car, without all the messing around, you know, priming oil and that, that is an excellent piece of kit, isn't it?
That is an awesome bit of kit.
That battery is stone dead,
isn't it? Yeah.
Stone dead.
Yeah, because this is so complex and there's that much to do. I think we were almost confusing it a bit and tripping it out.
Yeah.
But
on your normal everyday car, where you just plug that in, go in and turn it, that'll fire anything.
Yeah, it will.
Absolutely anything.
If that can fire this up.
Yeah, it takes some, like you say, you take a bit of messing on, turning and cranking over.
Yeah.
You know, normally we're going to run a decent battery on this car. Obviously, it's got the shot on it for the winter.
Yeah.
Keep the decent battery to one side over the winter, don't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm more than happy with that.
Very, very impressed with that.
Brilliant.
Topdon, awesome job. Yeah, and like I say, if we read the instructions a little bit more before we sort of plugged it in, I think we were a bit excited there, weren't we, just to sort of get on with it.
Yeah.
And that was running at 75% as well.
Yeah.
So
there's loads in that. Like,
a little bit of user error maybe if we just sort of were a bit more savvy with the instructions. But overall though, it done what it set out to do.
It doesn't get much to the instructions as well.
Yeah.
So simple.
Yeah.
You know, it's there. I should have read that first page. But it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple. It's self-explanatory, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then, like I say, it tells you what all the little things are. It's really easy. It's not like some of the instructions you get where you've got 10 pages to describe on anything.
And you don't plug it in.
Straight to the point, and it's good bit of
absolutely fantastic. So there you go. Topdon. The Jump Surge 2000 can fire up a twin turbo 5.3 V8.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Right, let's pack
up. Handy piece of kit, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll be fighting over it now, Michael. So there you have it, the Topdon Jump Starter, the Jump Surge 2000 gets the Spottedmotors seal of approval, doesn't it, Michael?
Great bit of kit, fantastic bit of kit.
Really impressed with that. I didn't know exactly how it was going to go, and then mid-video, I'll be really honest with you, I started doubting it. But I think, like Michael said, because it's so complex and because there's so much of a starting procedure with this car, I think it really put it to the test.
Like you say, if you would just put that on your everyday run-around car, it'd be as easy as putting that on, pressing that boost button, and away you go.
Yeah, turning the key and I think you'd be back in the game.
Yeah, absolutely.
No problem whatsoever. We really like the product. We think it's really nice to look at. I think it's easy to store in your car anywhere, and like Michael said with the instructions, it's so easy to use as well.
You can't go wrong with it. It really is foolproof as well, which is it's quite easy to put them on back to front. Yeah. Say in the dark.
Yeah.
You know, panicking, broke down at the side of the road, flat battery.
Yeah.
That has got safety on it, so if you have them on back to front, it will flash.
And it will come up and tell you.
A buzzer goes off on it and stuff, so it's really, really good.
Yeah. Very impressed, very impressed.
So
we want to say a massive thank you to Topdon for getting in touch, getting involved, and for sending the kit out as well to us. No doubt this is going to come in very handy.
Absolutely,
and you'll probably see it again in other videos to come. I know this is slightly different to the normal Spottedmotors video, but because we like the product and we wanted one, we had to say yes, because it's going to come in so handy for us. So if you're new to Spottedmotors, definitely get in the back of the catalogue because there's all sorts of videos out there.
We've got loads out there.
Yeah.
Plenty to choose from.
A lot on the Cortina as well. Michael's built this engine from a bare block and up over, and it's done the rounds on the track as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, mate. Yeah. Definitely more to come from it. So
awesome. So yeah, massive thanks to Topdon. Massive thanks to everyone who's watched, and I will leave in the description below a product purchase where you can click on, I think it's Amazon, and you can buy one of these if you want to. That is, you know. So yeah, Michael.
Yeah, that just leaves to say,
as always,
thanks very much for watching.
We've been
Spottedmotors.